So other analysis is for the paper and fiber. So we start with paper. So paper is basically come from the wood and cotton, and most of the paper will add some chemical additive to affect the properties of paper, such as color, opacity, strength, durability, and the brightness of paper. So there are several types of paper, which is standard paper, newsprint, paperboard, cardstock, inkjet paper, bond, craft, coated, book, filter paper, wax paper. So this is all of the types of paper in the market lah. So there are some additive introduced to the paper. For the sizing will make the surface of paper less porous to ink, and this allow handwriting or printing look sharp and clear. And for the filler, it will add the color, surface texture, and durability of the paper. And coating will help to improve the look and the surface properties of the paper. So coating can make the paper suitable for the use for copiers, printers, and for normal handwriting. Okay, there are several analyses for the paper. The first one is the radiocarbon dating. So the authenticity of mysterious Greenland map was debated for decades. In 2002, a scrap of map parchment was analyzed by a destructive organic method, which is called as a radiocarbon dating, and the evidence proved that this map of the New World was made in 1434. So maksudnya menggunakan kaedah radiocarbon dating ni, it will identify what year is this map come from. So it will know the year. Okay, the next one is color analysis. So paper chromatography is used to determine any special character in the coloring of the paper. So daripada color paper, which is have a primary color, and from this color it will identify the characteristic of paper. So ataupun dia boleh tahu juga mungkin daripada mana hasil paper ni dan daripada tahun bila dibuat macam mana. Okay, from the color analysis. So the next one is the thickness. So daripada thickness ni kita akan tahulah. So kebiasaannya saiz untuk letter berapa, saiz untuk legal, untuk ledger, tabloid berapa. So from the thickness analysis kita akan mengenal pasti dia punya size of paper. So the next one is the texture. So texture of paper give the impression that the important or special. So dia punya texture ni pun boleh jadi evidence and can be analysed for the evidence. So it must be special order so it can be traced easily. So the next one is the brightness. So the brightness of piece of paper is typically expressed on a scale 1 to 100. So some multipurpose bond paper used in a copy machine and desktop printer generally paper brightness dia adalah 80. So photo papers normally 90. So daripada brightness kita akan identify what types of paper and it will use for the forensic analysis. Okay, the next one is watermark. So watermark is recognizable image or pattern in the paper that appears as a various shades of lightness, or darkness when viewed by the transmit light. So macam duit kan, contoh duit. So dekat duit tu dia ada dia punya watermark lah. Ni duit daripada luar negara lah. So duit dekat Malaysia pun dia ada watermark. So this watermark also can be used for the analysis in the transmit light. So watermark have been used on the postage stamp, currency and other government document to discourage counterfeiting. So untuk mengelakkan penipuan, kebiasaannya memang akan ada watermark lah pada duit, postage stamp dan juga government document. So there are two main ways to produce the watermark in the paper. The first one is the dandy roll process, and the other one is the complex cylinder mode process. So the watermark tells the criminal scientist and the manufacturer the date of manufacture and many times for whom the paper was manufactured. So kita akan dapat mengenal pasti penipuan yang berlaku lah daripada watermark tu. So any attempt to forge a watermark can easily be detected. This is due to the fact that real watermark have fewer fiber than the rest of the paper. So the watermarks are really added on the image. Therefore, the underlying fiber density will be consistent with that of the rest of the document.